Hi, in this video I am going to discuss about T1 form, who should file T1 form, when they should file, and most importantly how they should proceed with that. So let's get started. First of all, you need to understand what T1 form actually is. T1 form is basically an intimation form which is to be filed by an intermediate student to institute who either completed one group or both the groups and who is looking for internship under an individual practicing CMA or in a firm CMA. Now the question comes when they should file this form, and the answer is very simple yet quite important. Hence you should pay attention to my word. So it is filed at the time of starting of internship. I repeat, at the starting of internship under practicing CMA or firm CMA, intermediate students should file T1 form. Now I will just quickly show you the steps to be followed while you file T1 form. So first step is you should log into icmi.in. Secondly, just go to student section. Next, just click on the training section. You will get practical training option. Just click on there. You'll get online submission of practical training or exemption forms. After clicking on that, a list of forms will appear. Just click on desired forms which you are opting for. Now after filing desired form, you have to submit the form. So let me show you for you. Currently I'm in training section. Here I'll get practical training. Just click on that. Here online submission of practical training. A list of form appeared. So in the first row itself, T1 form is here. So I'll just click on download link. So T1 form will appear there. So you have to fill requisite details of the form. So at the end of the section, you will get two important fields. So firstly, this section is for principal under whom you are imparting your training. You should request your principal to sign here along with the seal. So now the second section comes for you. After verifying all the relevant details, put your signature along with the registration number. Now the next section comes submitting the filled form. In order to submit the filled form, come back to practical training login. Here you have to just fill your registration number along with the date of birth. Now here it comes opting for any of the forms. Since we are choosing T1 form, I'll just click on there. I'll just type CAPTCHA code. I'll just submit that. After submitting, you will get two important sections. First is for student details and second is for PCMA details. You just need to capture both the sections carefully. Now at the end of the section, you will get period of training. You just need to put start date of internship program and expected end date of internship program. Now the question comes into your mind what we should fill in work area. Now it is to be filled according to your training engagement program. Some popular examples are audit, taxation, etc. Now put the stipend amount which you are offered from the internship program. Now here you need to upload T1 field form. Now click on submit button after uploading the same. Now the last step comes payment of requisite fees. In order to pay the fees, click on payment gateway. After these steps, approval process will start, which is to be done by training department of the institute. Generally, it takes 2 weeks for the approval, but it may vary case to case. With this note, I am concluding this video. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. That's my time.